Hello and welcome to Wireman's Whimsy. Today we're continuing on with the December 2020 paper pumpkin kit, the very comforting one. And I chose to use the koalas with the Wishing You the Happiest of Birthdays stamp from the Happiest of Birthdays set. So just a way to use the pieces of the kit outside of the kit. So for this one, we'll need a card base from the kit and then a piece of the soft sea foam with the stitched rectangular die, and then a piece of rich raspberry with the next size up stitched rectangle die. And with this one, I used the gift with the koalas, and with the demo, I'm going to use the cupcake. And you can see there's little, the koalas' hands lift up so they can actually hold on to the cupcake. So, easy peasy to do. I'm going to use my rich raspberry ink, and I'm going to ink up my stamp. And it looks good and juicy on there. So I'm going to take my piece of soft sea foam and I'm going to stamp towards the top because I want to put the koalas at the bottom. So I'm just going to put it towards the top, give it a good press, and there we go. And then it's as simple as cutting things out. So I am going to put the greeting and the stitched rectangle through, putting the die through on an angle so that we don't get that hard edge against the rollers on the cut and emboss machine. We'll just run that through. And then I'll run the rich raspberry through and we'll have our card front and our mat and we can assemble. Just pop that over there. I'll put this through the machine as well. And we'll just run that through. The January paper pumpkin, Send a Little Love, is available to subscribe to now. And you can also get an add-on kit for it that's little boxes that you can make up. It's perfect if you want to get a head start on Valentine's Day. You can do those little kits up if you're doing gifts for a kid's class or for co-workers. It's a great little add-on. And with the stitched rectangles, you just need to be gentle when you're pushing your cardstock out because the little teeth that make the stitches are quite grippy and you don't want to tear the edge. I'll just pop this out. The outside comes off really easily and you just want to be careful when you press out the cardstock from the die itself. There we go. Awesome. So I'm going to use some Stampin' Seal and I'm just going to attach this just like that and center it on my mat. I'm going to take my card front, and you can dimensionalize this if you want to. I'm just going to add it flat onto the card front. Whoops, the correct way up, of course. I'm going to put it just a little bit to the top, not quite centered, but just a little bit towards the top. And then I'm going to just place the koalas at the bottom there. I'm going to use dimensionals for that. So I'll just pop the dimensionals on the back like that. And then I'm just going to pop one kind of between the cupcake and the little band that's holding it on. I'll just peel the backs off. And a friend of mine taught me a little trick. If you kind of press down in the middle, the piece just pops right off. So that's a good little tip. So thank you to Tanya for that. And then you just place that down. And there you have a Wishing You the Happiest of Birthdays card. using elements from the December Paper Pumpkin kit. So thank you very much for watching. And if you would like to subscribe to Paper Pumpkin, especially to get the Sending Love kit for January, please do so at the links below. And we will see you next time. Thanks so much.